Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator shelf in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator shelf. This shelf is located in the fresh food section. The main reason to replace the refrigerator shelf is if it's broken. To get it apart, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the shelf, we need to lift up the front end and then take this out. This is the old refrigerator shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so now we're going to install the new refrigerator shelf. We need to place those hooks on the left and right side of the brackets into the slots here at the back. I'm going to lift the front up. And put it down. As you noticed, you can move it up and down. You can choose the pair of slots at the back and you can move the shelf. Next, I'm going to peel these tags off, unless you want to keep them. And now we can close the fresh food door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.